I'm a cell tower worker. I was up 300 feet on side of a self-support cell tower. I was changing out the light bulbs, doing some other work, and now I'm having a medical condition. So if this is in your district, which every department out there has these in your district somewhere, be it a water tower, cell tower, smokestack, what have you. These are all tower type rescues. Are you prepared for these type of rescues? What would you do? Do you have the ropes long enough to facilitate the rescue, to do a tower control versus a ground control rescue? Are your people trained physically and mentally to come up here and facilitate the rescue? Coming up with your patient packaging devices, how are you going to package me up and bring me down to the ground and secure me? RF monitoring. Do you have something to monitor RF and mitigate RF circumstances as you guys come up for these rescues? These are all just some of the many questions you need to ask yourself with these type of structures in your districts. If you don't know the answers to these questions, check us out, elevatedsafety.com. We teach NFPA awareness, tower tech awareness, tower tech operations, as well as tower tech technicians.